How to fix Snapchat device ban. Hello, what's up guys? I will show you guys how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to go and open the settings of your phone. Here you have to click on apps first. Here search for Snapchat. Open Snapchat like this. Now you have to scroll down and go to storage. Here go to the last button, clear data, and click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And what you should do now, go to set as a default. As you see this option open supported link, this make sure that this option is allowed like I'm doing, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.